In the ever-evolving world of retail, businesses strive to create unique and memorable experiences for their customers. One vital aspect of achieving this is through a customized interface that reflects their brand identity and resonates with their target audience. Shopify POS, the leading point-of-sale solution, recognizes the importance of a personalized touch. With its customizable interface, Shopify empowers retailers to create a shopping environment that aligns perfectly with their brand image, enhances customer engagement, and fosters a seamless transaction process. In this video, we will explore the significance and benefits of a customizable interface within Shopify POS. The power of branding. A recognizable and cohesive brand identity plays a pivotal role in attracting customers and differentiating a business from its competitors. The customizable interface of Shopify POS provides retailers with a powerful tool to infuse their brand elements into every aspect of the point-of-sale experience. From color schemes and fonts to logos and background images, businesses can tailor the interface to reflect their unique brand persona. By incorporating consistent brand elements throughout the interface, retailers can create a cohesive and immersive shopping experience for their customers. When the interface aligns with the brand's visual identity, customers feel a sense of familiarity and trust, enhancing their overall perception of the business. This, in turn, helps to establish a strong brand presence and fosters brand loyalty. Personalization for enhanced user experience. One-size-fits-all solutions often fail to meet the diverse needs and preferences of retailers. Shopify POS addresses this challenge by offering a customizable interface that allows businesses to tailor their point-of-sale system to their specific requirements. The ability to customize the interface ensures that retailers can optimize the user experience for both their staff and customers. By arranging the layout, menus, and features according to their workflows, businesses can streamline their operations and maximize efficiency. This not only saves time but also minimizes errors during transactions, resulting in a smoother checkout process. Furthermore, the customizable interface enables businesses to prioritize the most relevant information and actions on the screen. Retailers can strategically place commonly used features, such as payment options or discounts, in prominent positions for quick and easy access. This convenience improves staff productivity and minimizes training time for new employees. For customers, a customized interface enhances their shopping experience by offering a familiar and intuitive interface. The visual consistency and seamless integration of brand elements create a sense of cohesiveness and professionalism. This instills confidence in customers, leading to increased satisfaction and trust in the brand. Aesthetics and emotional connection. Humans are naturally drawn to visually appealing environments, and the same applies to retail space. The aesthetics of a store, both physical and digital, have a profound impact on customers' emotional connection to the brand. With Shopify POS's customizable interface, retailers have the opportunity to create an aesthetically pleasing environment that resonates with their target audience. The ability to incorporate visually compelling images, captivating graphics, and compelling color schemes allows businesses to evoke specific emotions and enhance the overall shopping experience. For instance, a high-end fashion boutique can customize the interface to showcase luxurious visuals, elegant fonts, and a sleek color palette, conveying a sense of sophistication and exclusivity. On the other hand, a vibrant and playful interface with bold colors and quirky illustrations might be more suitable for a children's toy store. By aligning the interface with their brand's desired emotional appeal, retailers can create a captivating atmosphere that captivates and engages customers. This emotional connection fosters a lasting impression and strengthens brand recall, encouraging customers to revisit the store and become loyal advocates.